Okay, today we're going to be learning cleaning data for machine learning. Okay, I created a small data set we're going to be working with. I'll just run it. Okay, we're going to be creating a data frame, and this is the skeleton of the data frame. We are going to be removing duplicates, and we are going to be replacing null values, right, for both numeric and string data. Okay, so we'll start by removing duplicates from all the data. Okay, so tf drop duplicates. Okay, search, making sure it works. Okay, I'm just going to start filling it in as we wait. Okay, we are going to be filling numeric values with their medians. Okay, so we are talking about the age column and then the salary column. So we are going to be working with age first, right? So df age is going to be dot filling the null values with the median, right, of the numeric values in the column, right? Okay, so it should work. Okay, okay, this should work. Okay, it should work there. Okay, just take that out and run it there. As you can see, it works. We'll just do the same for salary. Salary, because it's also a numeric column. Okay, salary. See if it works. Yeah, it does. Gonna go on and put it in our data, in our skeleton, like that. We have to assign the new column to it, which is salary. Yeah. Okay. The last thing is to fill missing text columns with unknown. Okay, so we're just going to be filling df department with unknown. To fill NA with unknown. Okay. Alrighty. There. It works. We have one over there. Take it back to the data frame. TF department, because we have to create a new column to replace the old one, right? Yeah. And there. We run the whole function so that we can use it later. So if I should use this, Let's copy this. See, maybe run this into memory. Okay, now let's go and clean our data. Cleaned data. Data frame. Clean data frame. We're going to be using our function that we created, and then we are using df for the data frame that was created over here. Okay. So let me run it. Right. Alrighty. So there we have a data frame all cleaned up and ready to be used for your machine learning. Functions are very good when you do repetitive data cleaning for machine learning. When you use functions, you can use the same code over and over again instead of writing it so many times, writing these individual steps so many times. You can just run your function once and you're done. All right.